Hello, welcome. Let us understand why Java is platform independent. Java is platform independent because it uses a special translator called JVM or a Java virtual machine to run the program. It works on the concept called write once, run anywhere. Once you write the Java program, you can run it on different operating systems. So we can call it as write once, run anywhere. This is how it works. You write a Java code which is a .java extension file, and then Java compiler will convert that Java code .java file into a .class file that is called bytecode, and this is a universal intermediate language we can call it as, because this is understood by the JVM, and JVM will run this class file. JVM means Java virtual machine, and this JVM can be installed on different operating systems such as Mac, Linux, Windows. This JVM converts the bytecode, this bytecode format to machine code, right? And this JVM can be installed on any machine, and each machine will have its own JVM. As long as you have a JVM installed on your machine, you can run the Java code, right? So this JVM can be installed on different operating systems such as Windows, Mac, Linux. That is why Java is called platform independent programming language. Thank you for watching.